there, my lovelies. It's Jana here. Welcome to my channel. How are you? Good? I hope so. So today we're going to make, I think the top 5 most requested, one of the top 5 most requested recipes from this channel. It is oil-free vegan mayonnaise. Ta-da! Here it is, because it is out of this world easy and out of this world delicious. And we start by soaking some cashews. And once the cashews are soaked long enough so they're a little bit soft, you are going to add along with that a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, onion powder, some white vinegar, Dijon mustard, and some plant-based milk, and then you're going to blend it until very smooth. And don't worry, don't take notes or anything. All the quantities are going to be linked in the description box below on my website, the printable recipe, or the full recipe and substitutions down below. Alright, so what are we going to do with the vegan oil-free mayonnaise? Potato salad. Because potatoes, oh my god, that's Mr. Blue, he's hungry. I'm gonna give you food, just a second. So potatoes are available everywhere, year long, super cheap, and they last a long in your pantry. They last for a long time in your pantry. So that's what we're gonna use that for, but you can use that for any kind of recipe that you would use vegan mayonnaise for. And the vegetables that I like to use to put along with the potatoes are simple ones, like frozen peas or frozen corn, or both, red onions chopped, green onions, and parsley. But you can use whatever kind of vegetable you're into. That's the beauty of the potato salad, aka Russian salad. You can add anything you want, and it always comes out delicious. At the end, I always like to adjust a little bit of the salt and the tanginess by adding a little bit more pepper or a little bit more lemon, depends on you. So you test and then you try, and then you serve it to your friends, and everybody's going to love it, because this is delish, I promise you. So this is it for today. I'm going to feed my babies because you hear that? Because they're getting desperate. Okay, I'm coming. And I see you next time. Don't forget to tag me on Facebook and Instagram if you make it. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. And take care of each other and have a fabulous week. And until then, bye.